Alright, so this video is to show you how to get to the reading and the assignments. You're going to click on modules and it should take you straight to week 2. Don't worry about using this right here because it slows everything down. You're going to use the second link, which is use this link if you can't access the reading. When you click on that, you're going to automatically see this gray page with the frown face. That's you're in the right spot. Just click the white link at the top and it will open up the page that has all the reading in it. You should be able to read this page by page. It goes in order. Okay. Now, to get to the assignments, I'm going to show you the way to get to the assignments, and you'll do that for both of them. So the first assignment is the ROA reading check. So the reading check for the story. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. You may have to authorize Google first, but you'll click in the corner here. Remember, this is what I see as a teacher. So in this area right here, you might get an authorize button. If you have already authorized, then in the middle, it will ask you to verify what account you're using. So you'll click on your school email account and click link, and then you should be able to access the reading check. On your screen, right in this area, you will have a blue link to make the assignment larger. So on mine, it looks a little different. I have a black link, but your link will be blue. And it should create a copy for you in your drive. And this is what it looks like. This is where you'll be after that point. You'll do the same exact thing for the ROA characterization assignment. You'll click on it. It will open up. You'll have a blue link. You may have to give it access to Google, but you'll have a blue link right here, like this one is showing on mine. You'll have a blue link here, and that will open up the tab, and you'll be able to type in this one. And then when you come back here to the page, you'll have a submit button somewhere on the page for you to turn your work in. If you are unsure of what to do as far as how to actually do the assignment, there is another video at the bottom of the page where it says ROA characterization explanation video. When you click on that, it will open up a YouTube video, so you shouldn't need access to it. It will open up a YouTube video and it will walk you through what to do for this assignment.